Want to know for which bills you're spending the most? Here is how we can do a simple conditional formatting and then find out for which bills you're spending the most. So I'll try to completely select this complete category over here. So all the amount, I'll just try to completely select this, and then I'll go to format, and then I'll do conditional formatting. So here, the first rule, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to say that if the range is going to be in between, okay, so if the range is going to be in between from 1 to $40, so what I'll do is I'll have that in the light green color over here. So this is going to be the color. So I'll give done. So this is the first rule. So here you can see whatever bills are less than 40, from 1 to 40, all these are in the green color. So I'll again completely select this range. So I'll go to format, and then I'll do conditional formatting. So I'm going to add another rule. So if the value is going to be greater than, let's say, $100. So if it's going to be greater than 100, so I'll have the bills in the red color, and then I'll give done. So now you can see what bills are going to be in the red color. That means I have a huge bill for my medical bill. So that's around $230. So that's going to be the highest spendings. And if you want, you can also have the other bills in the yellow color. So I'll completely select this range. I'll go to format, and then I'll go to conditional formatting. So the other rule is going to be, if it is going to be in between from 41 to 99, so I'll have that in the light yellow color. So now you can see the small bills are highlighted in the green color, the huge bills are highlighted in the red color, and the medium bills between 41 to 99 are highlighted in the yellow color. So like this, you'll know for which bills you are spending the most, and then you'll be able to track all your bills and then have all your bills in control. If you wish to use the entire bill calendar template, I've given the link in the first comment. Please do check it out. And also subscribe for more spreadsheet hacks.